Oh, who will plough the field? Or who will sell the corn? Oh, who will wash the sheep and have 'em nicely shorn? The stack that's on the haggard, unthrashed it may remain, since Johnny went to thrashing the dirty king of Spain. The girls from the bonnage in sorrow may retire, and the piper and his bellows may go home and blow the fire. For Johnny, lovely Johnny, is sailing o'er the main, along with other patriarchs, to fight the king of Spain. The boys will sorely miss him when money whore comes round, and grieve that their bold captain is nowhere to be found. The peelers must stand idle against their will and grain, for the valiant boy who gave them work now peels the king of Spain. At wakes or hurling matches, your like we'll never see, till you come back to us again, a Stoyer, Grinded, Gilmocroy. And won't you trounce the buckings that show us much disdain, because our eyes are not so black as those you'll meet in Spain. If cruel fate will not permit our Johnny to return, his heavy loss we Bantry girls will never cease to mourn. We'll resign ourselves to our sad lot and die in grief and pain, since Johnny died for Ireland's pride in the foreign land of Spain.